Welcome back to Cam Caught. No drama, no excuses, just real footage of bad decisions playing out in real time. Dash cams don't lie. They expose impatience, recklessness, and instant karma. Watch closely, because every clip is a reminder that mistakes always catch up. Some drivers treat public roads like a movie scene. High speed into a corner, trying to drift like Hollywood. Physics doesn't care about confidence. A careless lane change. No mirror check, no awareness. The crash happens instantly. That lesson always comes with a repair bill. What is he doing? Instead of taking responsibility, he chooses to leave. That's not shock, that's avoidance. Here's advice drivers still refuse to learn. When merging in front of a semi-truck, if you can't see the entire front of the truck in your mirror, you don't belong there. Running a red light is reckless. Stopping in the middle of the road is worse. 3 cars slam the brakes. One moment of hesitation turns into instant karma. Truck drivers who don't secure their cargo eventually expose themselves. Dash cams remember everything. Tickets don't forget. A motorcyclist loses control and nearly disappears under a trailer. Luck steps in, this time. A truck tire explodes. The tire flies straight into a rider behind. Maintenance ignored becomes punishment delivered. Some moments feel unreal. Avoiding power lines, houses, and disaster by inches, that wasn't luck alone. That was skill under pressure.
Oh my God!
Wet roads, high speed. A truck loses traction and slams into a car. Karma doesn't warn, it reacts. Rear-ended at highway speed. Dashcam footage shows the truth clearly, and truth usually decides who pays. A container truck stops just in time. Pure luck, nothing else. Another blind spot crash. We've seen it too many times, and people still refuse to learn. Shock freezes the driver, confusion follows, and somehow others just drive past without checking if anyone needs help. A taxi parked on a narrow curve. A motorcycle speeding through. Everyone wants to ask the same question. Who's wrong here? Tailgating, a rushed lane change without looking. Bad decision, predictable result. Some reactions say it all. Panic, noise, no control, too much speed, or brake failure. Either way, the road doesn't care about excuses. A container truck crosses into the opposite lane on a blind curve. That wasn't skill, that was mercy. Someone tries a pit maneuver on public roads. That's not bravery, that's stupidity. Fatigue wouldn't surprise anyone here. At least everyone survived. Then there's this delivery driver, flashing red lights, clear warning signs, a closed intersection. He ignores all of it and drives straight into the barrier. Don't copy this, unless you like tickets. And yes, that mistake cost him $380. Now this That truck driver deserves a medal. Perfect reaction. No load, full control, and an incredibly fast stop. Everyone was lucky here. A hard fall, painful to watch. Hopefully, everyone walked away. All this chaos, over $13 of stolen merchandise. The suspect runs. Police chase lasts over a mile and a half. 4 flat tires, still trying to escape. This never ends well. In another clip, a fuel truck drives ahead. That single vehicle likely saved multiple lives. Respect where it's due. Then you see pure destruction. A power pole snapped in half. A car smashed into the front of a house. Somehow, the driver survives. Sometimes technology steps in. Driver assist systems stabilize the situation. They don't replace drivers, they correct human mistakes. Here's advice people ignore too often. When turning left from the second lane, check your right mirror. If you're beside a trailer, stay level with the rear axle. This next scene is terrifying. One of the worst things you could ever see coming straight towards you on the road. Hopefully, everyone made it out safe. Slow speed, clear thinking, a deliberate choice to protect a life. That deserves respect. He clearly knows that bridge. Experience matters. And seriously, what is he doing? Look in the mirror. Still, an absolute nightmare. This is why rear dash cameras matter. They show the full story, not just excuses. Slow down. No one enjoys an unexpected slide, especially on public roads.
có làm được cái mạch này không? Cái mạch nó làm cái sự nổ ấy, bỏ làm được, cứ bỏ nó ấy bọn em làm được, nhưng mà xong hứa lên thôi chứ gặp cái bọn đấy à? Thì con mẹ
mày đi ghê mày.
Càng nhà
Cắt quả ghê đấy.
ăn quả với càng ấy.
Mấy đứa này đứng dậy là quảng lùi đây, đúng là chứ mới nổi. Ôi lại bài đi ra đi. Ôi lại. Ôi. Yêu, mẹ luôn đi chèo yêu. Mày là ai?
Every clip tells the same story: impatience, ego, negligence, and karma waiting quietly in the background. Drive smart, or let the dashcam record your lesson.